Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use my Apple TV without a remote. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have your Apple TV and for some reason you lost your remote. How do you actually go ahead and use your Apple TV without a remote? So there's actually multiple ways that you can do this. And one way to go ahead and do it is that if you're missing your Apple TV remote, what you could actually do is that everyone should have some sort of Apple device, hopefully. So this right here is my Apple device that you see here. And so with the Apple device, first you want to make sure that your Apple TV, it should be connected to Wi-Fi, hopefully. And then on your Apple device, you want to make sure that you're connected to the same Wi-Fi. Then afterwards, on your iPhone, if you swipe down, you should see this Apple TV remote icon. And if you don't, you can go into the settings option of your phone and then go ahead and click on Control Center, which is located right over here. And then with the Control Center, you want to go ahead and click on Customize, which I guess have an update. So it just says swipe down from the top right to open your Control Center. So swipe down, and then if you hold on the screen, you should see everything start to jiggle like this. So if you don't see the Apple TV remote, click on Add Control, and then find the remote option, which has already been added. So with the remote option, you can see that we should be good. And then once you're connected to the same Wi-Fi, you want to go ahead and swipe down on your iPhone, click on your Apple TV remote, and then on the top right-hand corner, you want to select your Apple TV. So this is my living room Apple TV. Just go ahead and click on Find next to it, which is located right over here. And then on screen, you should see a 4-digit prompt. So just accept that on your phone. And then afterwards, you should be able to go ahead and control your Apple TV using your Apple phone. But that is just one way to go ahead and control your Apple TV without a remote. I have people do this all the time with their Apple TVs whenever I visit their houses and they've lost a remote. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.